So the gopis are teaching, first we should become desperate to see Krishna. The gopis are saying, have you seen him? Where is he? Can you show us where is Krishna? Where is he gone? We're searching the forest for Krishna. So the first question is, as a bhakta, and we're following the gopis, we're supposed to be gopi anugata, following the path of the gopis. Are we desperate to see Krishna? Look up in the dictionary, desperation. Are we mad? The gopis are mad to see Krishna. We're like, okay, another day. Where's the roti? Where's the sabji? This should be some type of. That's why we study the madness of Mahaprabhu and Antya Leela and Gambhir Leela, because he's totally in Gopi Bhav, Radha Bhav. And Lord Chaitanya is coming. If we don't get them, if we haven't received the message of the Bhagavat, of the Ras Leela and the Krishna's pastimes of the gopis in the Bhagavatam, the same message Lord Chaitanya is coming to give us in his Gaur Leela. The same, you'll see, we'll read in a few days, where Lord Chaitanya is wandering through the garden and absorbed in the Gopi Bhav. We are supposed to be Chaitanya-like in that sense. It's called Anukaran and Anusaran. So Mahaprabhu Anukaran, Mahaprabhu Anusaran. So Anukaran we can't do and we should not imitate, but we should follow the way he's presenting Gopi Bhav and the way he's following the path of Gopi Bhav and showing the madness of searching for Krishna. He's speaking the same verses that the gopis are speaking in this chapter 30. These same verses. Lord Chaitanya is wandering through the gardens. It just says some garden. It doesn't say Jagannath Vallabha Bagicha. It says he's wandering through some garden in Jagannath Puri. He's saying, oh Ashwat, oh Ashwat, oh Plaksha, oh Negroda, oh Banyan, oh Jutika, Malika, Madhavi, Krishna Kotai. Where is Krishna? Where is Krishna? Exactly the same as the gopis are doing in the Ras Leela. So Lord Chaitanya, he's absorbed in the Ras Leela and following the mood and feelings of the gopis. This is the teaching of Lord Chaitanya. We're supposed to be absorbed in the Ras Leela and following the teachings and moods of the gopis. This is what he taught. Anarpita Shriam Charat. He came to give this Sabhakti Shriyam, the Radhadasyam.